Peter Piper, Peter Piper, Peter Piper.
All these memories got my soul slain. Balcony love with the sangria. Walking night streets, passing by the gondola.
I don't know what I'm recording. I don't know what I'm recording.
So 5 in-studio music hacks for music producers and music makers out there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you out. If you're in a crunch or you don't have certain pieces of equipment, these are some workarounds that I've personally used in my life. So hopefully they help you out. Again, thank you for watching. As always, stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next one.